Okay, so first of all, we can separate these two terms here because this is division. We could separate it using subtraction. Okay, now we can separate these two here because they're being multiplied. We could separate them using addition. But since these two are now separate and there's a minus sign right here, both of those have to be subtracted. So we need to put this in parentheses. So then when we're done here, we can distribute this negative so that both of them are being subtracted, because this whole thing here has to be subtracted. So now I'm going to go ahead and simplify. This is saying 5 to what power is 25? So that would be 2. Okay, now this one over here, we can also expand further by moving the 4 to the front. And now we can distribute this negative here. So we'd have a -2, and then a negative times a positive is a negative 4 log base 5b. And that would be our final expanded form.